Hey guys, in today's video I will tell you how much does Taco Stacks makes on YouTube. So if you wanna know, then watch the video till end and subscribe the channel to know how much your favorite YouTuber earns. First of all guys, how does YouTubers get paid? They get paid by placing ads on their videos. If they place more ads, they makes more money. Secondly, CPM stands for cost per 1000 views, means how much advertiser pays to run their ads on YouTube. Average CPM is $4 and the earning depends on many factors, from where the video is watched, how long the video is watched. Thirdly, YouTube takes 45% of creator revenue, means 55% creator gets and 45% YouTube takes. So now let's take a look at their channel analytics. It has total of 290,000 subscribers and total 1424 videos and 85 million total views lifetime on their channel today while filming the video. So now let's take a look at their estimated revenue. How much does it makes monthly, annually from YouTube? This channel gets 2000 subscribers monthly and over 810,000 views per month. So according to that, if we multiply views with average $4 CPM, then their estimated monthly earning is $3,200, and multiplying monthly earning with 12 shows that they make so $38,900 annually. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you also want to learn how to make money on YouTube, then check out the link in the description to learn from scratch how to start and earn a decent amount and become a successful YouTuber. Thank you for watching the video.